Behind the scenes, next on Commodore Productions.
I think they're onto me. I think they're onto me. I gotta lay low. The new thruster pack for the Fringy Trader vessel came in, and they're not allowing me to be near it at all. They got other engineers installing that and testing it. I'm not allowed to be near that. So I gotta lay low. Sorry, sci-fi moron. I did the best I could to disable that shit best I could for you. But I can't let them know that it was me all this time screwing things up. So I can't do it anymore. It's dishonest. I tell you, I had fun doing it. Don't get me wrong, I had fun doing it. Uh-oh, was that the doorbell? Uh-oh, they might be under me. I gotta go.
I finally caught you. You're the one that's been doing all this sabotaging on the ships. And also the Ferengi ship. And also your buddy sci-fi moron. Finally caught you. Admiral, did you copy all this?
Yes, I have. Arrest him.
Now, you're under arrest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.